told us not to travel today. But nobody listened to her. Now see. Hey God.
Just calm down. Oh, be strong. Your daddy will soon be back. The city is not even far from the village. He only went to drop Jessica and some items. I believe he will be back soon to carry you and your mom.
Why are you talking like this? What are you even saying? Why are you saying as if you don't know what accident is? Accident is something that somebody will joke with.
But we need to calm down. We need to have faith. Let's just hope the accident is not fatal. Please don't scare me.
Mimio. I don't know how my body is feeling.
Selena, please calm down. You're making my heart beat fast. Please. He's fine, I'm sure.
Auntie. Mom. What is that? What happened?
Auntie, please talk to us. You're scaring us. Where is my brother? Where is Jessica?
Wait. Mommy. What is it now?
Auntie, please just say something, please.
Jessica is fine. Oh my God. But the doctor said the shock affected her, so she couldn't even say a word to me.
And my brother, where is he? Where is my brother? Please talk to us now.
What of that?
He's dead! No, this one. This guy, my brother. No, my brother. I swear this is not true. It's going to be true.
Open it for me. Please now, just eat some. Okay, let me give you it. You don't like rice. You won't swallow. So what do you want? Okay, just eat small. You have not eaten anything since. Okay.
And she has not eaten since then.
Honestly, I am tired. Jessica is not even helping matters at all.
It's fine. Calm down. Jessie, baby. My princess. Angel. Where you eat, oh? I'll buy you sweets. I'll buy you biscuits. Jessie, please eat so you'll be strong. Auntie, just take things easy. All we need to do is be patient with her, just like the doctor said. At least we should be thankful she's in good health.
Good health? Like this? When she's not eating her food, how can she be in good health? Look at how lean she is. Just look at.
Mom, let's give her water. You drink water, right? Maybe I can get her to eat later. But let me go get water for her.
What? Come here. Why you talking?
Come here!
Come here. Hey, come here. Hold up. Hey, stop there.
Hi. Have they gone?
I think so.
I'm tired.
But you know you're the cause of all this. Why were you staring at them like that? The way you stared at them was rude. So they got angry.
I'm sorry. It's just that they looked scary. They looked so suspicious and they were smoking this hot afternoon. They look so scary. Who are they?
Who they are and what they are smoking is not your business. Please. Whenever anything goes wrong in this village, those boys are always on the top list of suspects. So please don't stare at them again.
I'm sorry. I was just so scared.
It's fine, let's just go.
Afoma, no matter how much I appreciate you, it still wouldn't be enough to show how kind-hearted you are.
Thank you.
You're welcome. My husband's money was used to offset the bills that he left behind after his death. And honestly, we would have been struggling to survive. But you took it upon yourself to cater for all of us. Just from the small money that you make from your business. Afoma, my God will not fail to bless you.
Auntie, for how long will you keep thanking me?
It can't be enough.
Okay, let me ask you a question.
What?
If I don't take care of you and those children, what kind of human being will I be?
Look at her. Look at you. You see what I'm saying? Your type is rare. And I'm just praying and believing God that very soon I'll get a job. So at least I'll be able to take off the stress from your shoulders.
This is no stress. So stop calling it one. I'm not complaining. I thank God for keeping us together like this. That's the most important. That reminds me. I heard there is vacancy at the village microfinance bank. And even some workers working there are not as qualified as you. So I'm very sure they want to employ someone like you.
Afoma, it's not like that, so it's not like that. I already heard about them. Someone told me about them. But the truth is, I'm very, very sure they will be skeptical to employ someone with my level of qualification. Because they know they cannot pay me. And even if they could, there is no way I will allow that kind of job to tie me down in the village. Moreover, I've submitted my CVs with some company in the city. So I'm just being very positive that they will call me.
If you say so. And I'm very sure everything will work out for you. I wish you all the best.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
I just wish my brother was not too stubborn and refused you working. You won't be going through all this now.
Afoma, the past is gone. There is no point living our lives in regret.
Alright.
I'm just positive. I believe God is in control.
Amen.
Thank you. Give me your hand. Thank you for being there.
And thank you for being my sister-in-law. Nkechi, how are you?
Fine.
Nkechi, I'm greeting you.
Fine.
Now, wow, Ajebo. So it's because of this small thing that poured you on your leg that's making you to keep your face like this.
Excuse me. Aren't you supposed to say sorry?
Even if I wanted to say sorry, with the look on your face, I will not. Huh? What are you feeling like? Why are you even forming in this village?
Nkechi, stop it. It's my niece you're talking to like that. You poured water on her, courtesy demands you say sorry to her. What has that got to do with all these things you're saying?
Afama, I have no problem with you. Please, Biko, leave me alone. Eh? As for this butterfly that thinks she's a bird, you will grow old before you hear me say sorry to you.
Nkechi, you are trying me.
No, it's not.
You are pushing me.
It's not the sorry. Yeah.
I can't wait to go back to the city. Everybody in this village are so backwards.
It's okay, just calm down. Don't mind her. She's just envy because you returned from the city. Let's just fetch water and go.
Let me put your own here.
Hey! Oh, what kind of mistake is this now?
What happened? Did you put too much salt?
No, it's not that. It's that Nkechi girl. She's owing me some money and I'm supposed to collect it today. Yet we met with her and I forgot it because of that her nonsense.
Auntie, is that why you shouted like that? You scared me, oh. I even thought something happened. That's not a problem now. You can collect it from her later.
No. I'm supposed to use that money this evening. Do you know what? Why not continue with the cooking while I go and collect the money?
No. You know I cannot make this kind of soup now.
In that case, you go and collect the money for me while I continue with the cooking. Please.
That Nkechi girl, you know I don't like her. Attitude is very bad.
Selena, please, you need to help me here. Forget her attitude. Did I ask you to go and hug her? No. Just go and collect the money and start coming back. Eh? Fine girl. My beauty. Don't worry, before you return, the food will be ready waiting for you. Oh?
Okay.
I'll give you 2 minutes.
Thank you. Please, oh, hurry. Nkechi, you see that I even want to see. My auntie said I should come and collect the money you're owing her.
And is that the greeting? Eh?
Sorry. Good day, Nkechi. Please give me the money.
I can see your mother did not train you well. I can see that. She did not train you.
What? What brought my mother into this conversation?
Like I said, your mother did not train you well. Eh? She's just making you feel too special. That's why you go around feeling like you are too good for this village.
Oh yes. Nkechi, never you in your life bring my mother into any conversation. Listen, you might be older than me, but you've not seen what is inside of me.
I want to see the inside of you. Yes. I want you to show me that thing that you have inside.
Nkechi, don't test my patience.
Auntie, you are back. Welcome.
Thank you. Afoma, what are you making? I can perceive something very nice. What are you making?
I'm arranging something for dinner and trust me, you will enjoy it.
Oh, I can imagine. Thank you so much. Thank you. I hope my children are inside, right?
No, only Jessica is inside sleeping. Why I sent Celine on an errand.
Okay. Let me just go and check up on her.
Okay.
Afoma, I can't wait to eat this your food. The way the thing is just scenting the whole environment.
You know I'm a good cook.
I trust you. Well done, eh?
Thank you.
Jessica.
Where did you send her to?
Honestly, I don't know why she's taking too long. I only sent her to go and collect my money from Nkechi.
Hey, Nkechi again. You know what? Let's just go to Nkechi's house, please. I mean, you know that Nkechi, her character is somehow.
Okay, don't worry. Let me just go and call her.
Osi, no, let's go together. Have you forgotten it's my daughter we are talking about here? Please, let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Please. What kind of thing is this? What kind of errors is that? How could you make this kind of mistake? Knowing very well that Selena doesn't know this village too well. So why did you even have to send her on that kind of errand? Look at it now. We've been searching for her since evening. It's already dark. What are we going to do?
Auntie, I'm sorry. I'm confused.
So you will not solve this problem right now.
Move.
I know good. I know good. I know good.
I say move.
What's on? Ujibi, what's up now? Man, they go now. What's be all this thing now?
Wait, shut up! Who they tell what's up? I tell what's up? If I sound you, see where you go sleep this night. Just go there, make me jejely collect them. I don't want to talk too much.
Why they do me like this now? Eh?
You dey mad? How? I never even start. You start they do you. See, babe, I won't put you go for your body. Just enter that place. See when I go sleep this night.
I don't know. I sent her to Nkechi's house and she knows Nkechi's house.
We are coming from Nkechi's house. Did you find her there?
Let's just keep searching. I know she's somewhere. We'll see her.
Search way again.
Yeah.
I don't want to go in here.
I said move! Move!
Selena!
Mommy!
What is happening here?
Are you okay?
What is going on? Are you sure you're okay? Nkechi, what is happening here?
It's not these stupid boys.
Yeah, because of me, stupid boy. Me, stupid boy for my own barracks. Madam, see. Your pikin dey dey fight like Onyara for my barracks.
You are mad. I can see that you are mad.
You're throwing this village, Abby. You're throwing yourself in this village. You're throwing yourself.
Hey! Come on, stop that thing! Come on, stop that thing. The mad? So you girls, after eating akpu and pounded yam, you decide to come to my area to show Jocelyn and Batista, right?
OGB, allow me to deal with this girl.
I'm gonna slap you.
Come on, will you keep quiet? Are you not ashamed of fighting with this small girl? Village champion.
Sasio, I just came to collect the money she's owing my auntie, and she started insulting my mother.
I don't know why you girls are embarrassing yourself and disgracing yourself around here. But what I know is that when I don't buy market,
They must settle now.
na my military zone be this and na me be the general. You don't buy market, I go cut martial now.
OGB, what is the meaning of this one again now?
You ask me question.
One collect.
You dey run your mouth proper, abi? Like in Kitara, mad dog. Oh yeah, enter.
Thank you, sir.
Enter. Come here. Awesome, thank you. Thank you. Enter. Two of you. Enter inside.
You see what you cause?
One leg.
Don't worry.
Enter.
Enter.
Enter there. Here now. Where you come to shake? Go shake inside. Nkechi, so for your mind you rugged. Well. You can't fight this small girl we just lost her papa few months ago.
Do you know what I call people like you, Nkechi? Local village champion.
Mbeke to the highest order.
Confirm.
That's how you guys are insulting me in front of this small girl of yesterday. You guys should insult her back too now. You guys should insult her now.
You
Was I the only one fighting?
Collect now.
Do I want to start going home, my bed?
Nkechi, remove the thought of leaving this place in a hurry.
Huh?
Because we are just starting. This is just a tip of the iceberg. I am the law in this village and nobody tells me what to do. Now my time, when you reach, I will do how I want to take to him. You feel me so? Now you don't finish your wrestling contest. It's time for you to entertain us. But why is Yana? A clear correct. Oh yeah. One leg. Stand up and start dancing.
Stand up.
I don't like to repeat myself. I'll be ready. I will talk to her. If I go take this knife, come on. Away. So if I slap you, see the dance, the hair. Yeah. You're a good dancer. Hi. Oh yeah, that's right. Very good anti-fire dancer. That was a very good exercise.
Okay, who is next? Small madam, it's your turn. Oh, yeah.
Sir, please, I don't want to dance. I just want to go home.
Oh, yeah.
See this one? You're dancing by fire by thunder. What do you mean you're not dancing?
Shut up. You get mad? I never tell you before, this is not my barracks. Waiting I talk, now you go stand. You don't speak. You don't talk when I'm talking.
After dancing for 1 hour, I tell you that.
I go slap you. And don't you ever shout at this fine girl again. They hear me so? Man, no put this thing for you. Because I tell you to make you dance. I for just say me follow me into here and I'm out for teach you another dance system.
I think that's why you go.
I say ma bring them here, just teach them small lesson so that they go respect my barracks. Let me be general for here.
What did my daughter do that made you bring her into this godforsaken place?
You see, Obog, so you have the mind to do this to my own niece, eh? Have you forgotten I know you and your ways in this village?
Don't tell me that one. Don't tell me say you know me, say you know me reach ground. Your niece was fighting around the village in my own barracks, not even in Igwe's palace or anywhere. I decided to, as a law-abiding youth, I decided to teach them small lesson.
Law-abiding my foot. You are lucky you did nothing to my niece, eh? If not, the Igwe will hear about us this night. Nonsense. Stupid man. Look at
Alpha OGB. There they go.
Nkechi! Hey, Nkechi!
OGB.
Not be that woman boy you in the place.
You don't fuck up. But when you strike once, you want the people. You want see you want keeper.
Guy, I want to take one step at a time.
Boy, is that 18? Boy, is that 18? When you strike.
Yeah, that's small now. What is the worry you are? That's small. Why you do like this?
Walk down boss now.
Boy, this you God don't stop for my body.
What do for your do?
Something. I won't put this thing now.
As they move, go city soon.
Guy, no, remind me that one now.
Now this for couple. You first strike once.
Innocent street fighter. How are you?
Good afternoon. See, sir, please, leave me. I want to go home. I did not fight with anybody today.
Yeah. Oh, Jim, why are you acting as if I'm doing something bad to you? Eh? Anyway, you remember the day you were fighting with Nkechi? That stupid girl. You saw the way I was blaming and beating her, punishing her for everything. That's because I love you. I like you.
Sir, please. I just want to go back to my mother. My mother is waiting for us. Please.
I said I like you and you're forming fine girl for me. These city girls. Well, I am going to leave you so that you will go home because of your small sister. But next time when you see me, don't be scared, okay? I like you and I want to take care of you. And I will make sure that Nkechi, that stupid girl, respects you in this village. I tell you, if you need anything, come to me, okay? Go. Anything at all. I mean anything.
What is it? What is it? Why are you calling me? Why are you smiling?
When has it become a problem for me to smile in this village? Eh? Why are you people seeing me as one village tout? I'll be a better person. Eh? Look at me. Person first son, I believe the way they see.
What does that got to do with me? No, tell me, how is that my business? Well, it's the reputation you created for yourself that is following you around in this village. Please, can you tell me why you stopped me?
Well, see, let me tell you. God has finally arrested me. Yes, so I've turned a new leaf. I'm a new person. Negodum.
Glory be to God, though.
Amen.
What is it again?
I was in my dream and God showed me Selena, your niece. Yes. Eventually she is the person I will spend the rest of my life. Don't worry. Huh? I will not spoil her. I will take care of her until she's ready for marriage and I will come and give your people.
Come! Idiot! If can you imagine? See, let me give you a serious Chinese warning. Oh, you think I don't know your way in this village? I know the way you follow girls around, especially the young ones. But let me warn you, the next time I hear you talk about my niece or even think about her, hey, the thunder that will strike you is too impressive. It will strike you into pieces. I'm not fear. Come, get out! Can you imagine? It's the audacity for me.
Because I came to you. What's so bad wrong? No problem. But I will get what I want. Yeah, I got it now. Come on, man. I'll be back, oh. Eh? Maybe you should think about it, oh.
Auntie, guess who I just saw?
From the look on your face, it's nobody important.
Is it not that riffraff, Obwog? And can you imagine he has the mind to tell me he likes my niece, Selena? That he saw her in his dream and wants to marry her. That I should please help talk to her. That non-entity.
God forbid. Ashebakwa. My own little Selena.
Yes, so.
Hey. These people. So, their plan is to useless my Selena. After tormenting her. God. What have I done to these people? What have I done to them?
And don't worry. Nobody will dare nonsense with my niece as long as I'm in this village. I know how to handle them now.
Hey, Chineke Nabi Neliwe. Just help me and answer my prayers. Settle me with what I am looking for so I can leave this village for good.
Auntie.
Chineke, because Yanun.
Auntie, please, I didn't tell you this thing to get you worried.
That idiot!
Calm down. I'm in this village with them. I know how to handle them. You don't need to worry.
Na condition make crayfish bend.
Auntie, please now.
Because if not, look, just look at him.
You will not do anything. I'm here. Please.
My man. If only you come here, call stay, you never alert me. I cannot be so now. What if the problem not be so? This is unlike you. Like everything they happen. Let me take man. You no go understand. You no go understand.
If you see the way Afoma take insult me,
That's small girl.
I dey tell you, wetin I do? I just like say I love her small niece. Now the problem where I carry give myself be that this girl begin rain abuses on me.
Child.
But I no blame them. Now because say I don't soft, I don't mellow. I no be who I be before. I don't come out the color what they wear before, come wear another color. I make that small girl they talk to me anyhow.
This is what I'll be telling you, my man. You're not too soft for this village. Village blast not going to even reach you mash. If you mash the full community, though they wrong. That small girl called the follow you, they talk rubbish.
Don't worry. No worry, my brother. You see that girl? I go chop her. By fire, by force, I go chop her. I must chop that girl. Anything we want take, make it take. That's why I win here.
You observe.
I they pass. I they observe. And then go pass it.
You know it. Chop and clean out. I say me chop and clean out. You know, they also move go city now. They also discharge.
Guy, no be you
chop
advise me before I talk so I want to do.
Don't be lie.
Today. I go chop him. I go enter the inner sanctorum. Man, I must. Man, no, this is usual.
Chop him.
Selena, please come on. Bring my phone. Thank you. Let me just make this call now. Oh. There is no recharge in it. Please, go back on that table. Check. There's 1,000. Bring it. Yeah, take this. Go and buy a recharge card, okay? What is it? Jessica, please leave your sister to go and buy a recharge for your mommy, okay?
I'll be back shortly.
What is it? What's the problem? You don't want her to go?
What is going on here? I hope people have not made Jessica angry again.
Angry, okay? I only gave the sister money to go and buy recharge for me and she's stopping her, so I don't even know what to say.
Yeah, leave your sister to go and buy a recharge card for mommy. It's money for a recharge card. Let her go and buy it. Oh, take.
Just leave her alone. It's obvious she doesn't want the sister to go.
Jessica, so you want Big Auntie to go and buy it? You're not sending Big Auntie on an errand. No problem, Mo. If it will make you happy, ma, I will go.
Jessica, why are you like this? Oh, so you didn't want your sister to go, but you want Auntie to go and buy it? Eh?
She even hissed at me. He hold me. These people don't know me in this village. They don't know me at all. Man, I had the bar. You see that sweet in the middle? I must reach there. I have by now. What? You had the bar.
My husband. I'll call you that, you know, because you're everything to me ever since your brother passed. I just want to let you know that I will be going to the city tomorrow. Let me go and look for greener pastures. I will be leaving my children under your care. Please, help me take care of them.
Auntie, you know you don't have to worry. Don't forget they are my blood and they are safe with me. All you need to do is go to the city and come back with a good news.
Thank you so much. Thank you. May God bless you. Thank you. Baby girl. I'll be going to the city tomorrow, so you're going to stay with Auntie Afoma and Selena. Okay? Promise me you will not give them troubles. You sure? Thank you so much. Selena, you're going to take care of Auntie Afoma and Jessica. Or in fact, take care of everybody.
Don't worry, they're not going to feel lonely with me.
Thank you so much. I just think it's better for me to go to the city to look for a job instead of just sitting down here and waiting for them to call me. And you know it may not happen. And the more I stay here, the more the burden will be too much for you.
Auntie, you don't have to worry. And I know and I believe you'll come back with a good news.
I am believing God for everything.
Very good. Very good. You think I've forgotten about Yabi? I heard your mom has traveled back to the city. Eh? And Ifeoma in the market. Today you will show me that thing that is making your head to act like Queen Elizabeth.
Nkechi, what is your problem? Don't you have anything else to do? How can you come to someone's house and be blabbing nonsense?
Hey! You're even adding salt to injury. Eh? You think I will go through all that humiliation in the hands of those boys and you go scot-free? Lie! Today I will teach you what your mother should have taught you before she went to the city to go and do a shower. Yes. What are you going to do? Nothing.
You shouldn't have made that statement, Nkechi. You want to fight me, right?
What will you do? What?
Afoma. So it has gotten to the extent that you will pass us without greeting us. Umu Jerusalem like us. They fuck up.
Only a jobless person will have time for two of you.
Since you don't have fear and respect again, I'm not going to tell you things where they play for our house like this. So tease the sub for them.
My house?
Okay.
What is that supposed to mean?
Oh. I bet you say you don't get my time just now.
Don't mind her. Okay. Because I said I like your sister, you gave me the insult of my life. Moawu Ubogu. Chai! Well, no problem. Just go to your house and see if you will meet your sister in a good condition. Go there.
Okay, she just passed here just now. She told me she's going to deal with your niece.
I will kill that girl today. Hey, Timo!
Oh, Lekoya.
So you can run.
Lele. Legodo.
Small girl of yesterday.
Continue, no one. Me and her for this village. We go finish her.
All those small girls.
See, you're finished.
Cost my mom.
If I stand up, you're finished. I will stay with you. If I stand up, stay here. Leave me, and you will not stand up. You will not stand up. If I stand up, you're gone. If I stand up, you will not stand up. You will not stand up. Stop. Celine, will you stop? Stop. What is wrong with you? Are you insane?
So you have the audacity to come to my house and fight my niece? Eh?
You've not seen anything yet, oh. You've not seen anything. This guy is showing herself in this village. I will not rest till I teach you a lesson.
Funny enough, she's one teaching you the lesson. You're not ashamed of yourself. Selena of yesterday is beating you like a child and you have the mouth to rant. Will you get out of my compound before I slap you?
Selena, you! I will deal with you! You're telling yourself, Abi? No problem. I will deal with you. Just get ready for me.
Selena, what has come over you? This is the second time you're fighting with this same girl.
Auntie, you will not understand. That girl called my mother a prostitute. Do you expect me to fold my hands and watch her?
I understand. But you can't continue like this because of your mom. If you keep fighting just to prove you love your mother, you will land yourself in trouble. There are so many other ways to show you love her and not violence. Okay, what if Jessica came out and saw you fighting? What will you tell her?
I owe no explanation to anybody. No one tries my mom and gets away with it.
Selena. Selena. This girl.
Do you know what I could actually do to you now? Eh? Look around you. There is nobody to separate us. Oh. Yes, there's nobody. I'm talking to you. Something wrong with your ears. Look at this girl, oh. See, if you want me to pardon you now, just say sorry and I'll forgive you. Very smooth. Just say sorry now and I'll forgive you. Something wrong with your ears? Eh? You want me to break this bucket now? Eh? You daughter of a no-good woman. What?
Next time, never you in your life is not your mother again.
My waist!
Stupid girl.
I will deal with you. You're a stupid girl. Where is she? Where is she? Where is she? Where is that nonsense daughter of a no good woman? Come out here! You again?
So you have sworn not to let my niece be in this village?
Bring her out.
I think I've kept quiet for you.
Bring her out!
I should bring her out.
Yes!
I should bring her out. I should bring her out. Idiot! Efulefu! No, come and rant! Come, you're still waiting for me? Will you leave my compound? Stupid girl! Nonsense! Let me see you here again. I will cut off your leg, then go and report myself to the Igwe. I'm Mafia. You know how to rant. Small girl poured water on you. You came to report.
Chief Lizzie, you could not even call me. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Even after you heard about my husband's death, you didn't even still call me. Why? What really happened?
My dear, it's a long story. Yes, I got robbed some months back and those bastards took my phones. And I was clumsy enough I didn't even do backup of my contacts, including yours. I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's fine. That one is gone. Sorry about that. So how is life generally with you? How is everything?
Well, I won't complain. I thank God for everything. So, how have you been? How have you been coping with kids?
Chibweze, to be very honest, it hasn't been easy at all. You know, after my husband's death, we even had to move out of our apartment because I couldn't renew the rent. So it's not really been very easy for me. Right now, I'm even sporting with a friend. You know, in the morning I'll go out job hunting. You know, hoping that I'll get something to do soon.
So sorry about that. I understand. Job thing in this country is a serious headache.
It's man no man. If you don't know anybody, you're on your own.
So what course did you study again?
Chibueze. Have you forgotten so soon? Accounting, of course.
Accounting. Then you are in luck.
How do you mean?
Yes. Our company's accountant just left a few weeks ago, and our MD has been looking for someone competent to replace the set.
I don't understand. Chibueze, you mean there is a vacancy in your company?
A good one at that.
So what are you waiting for? Chibueze, please.
If he finds your CV interesting, he might be paying you 300k.
300 what?
Plus other allowances for a start.
Chibueze, do this for a friend now. Please, just do whatever you can for me to get this job. Okay. And I'll forever be grateful to you. Please.
I'll talk to him this evening. Yes. I will just clean up your CV and get you to me. By tomorrow, we're going to meet him.
I will. Yeah. Thank you so much. Oh my God.
It's all right. Let's have
just like that.
Yes.
I'm so excited. I'll just clean it up and send to you via email.
All right.
That's right.
You do that. Last cup, please.
My darling, Mommy has good news for you. In fact, Mommy has great news for you.
What is it, Bob? Tell me.
Your mommy you're looking at here now has a wonderful job. And the job pays so well that our lives are about to change for the better.
Oh my God.
We are going back to the city.
I know God is going to make it happen.
I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Come here.
Oh my God, Mom. Those children are very stupid. If I catch them, those children, I don't even know. Selena, are you okay? Hi. Don't worry. What? If you see.
See what?
If you see what those children did to Jessica.
Which Jessica?
My sister. If you see.
What happened now? You've not said anything.
Jessica is outside.
Outside?
Yes.
Let's go now. What happened? Jessica! I can't believe you both scared me. Only to play pranks on me.
We know that you've been too busy taking care of us and loving us, and you couldn't remember today was your birthday. So, we decided to do this for you. We didn't have money, so we couldn't buy a cake.
Wait, it's today my birthday?
Yes.
Oh my God. Come here. Thank you so much. Thank you. This means a lot to me. What are you talking about? This is more than all the cakes in the world. Thank you. Happy birthday, sweet mom. We love you. But you know I love you guys. I love you. I love you. Now you want to make me cry.
No.
Thank you so much. How did you do this? You know what? Let's go inside. Mommy is going to prepare something very special for all of us.
Okay.
You! How did you do this? You're a fantastic actor. Let's go inside.
Cheers. Cheers. It's a good life.
Good life. Prosperity. More money. Good health.
Yeah. I know
you're the best cook in the world.
You can trust your mother. You know that it's just that this one took me unawares. If not, you know now, I would have made jollof rice.
Hey.
Fried rice.
Yes, so.
Coconut rice. Special rice. And I would have maybe got more drinks. I would have gotten more drinks.
It's fine.
Anyways, let's just manage this.
This is not managing. This is literally the best.
You like it? Of course. Oh, I'm glad. Jessica, you enjoy your food. Aww, that's nice. You know what? We are going to play a game. First to finish will eat from the others.
What? Mom! Let's eat, Jess. Mom, you have to eat.
I'm the celebrant. No. I'm the celebrant.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So when is my birthday? How many minutes?
No, you have three.
Okay.
If you're not careful, I'll take from you.
No, Mom, no.
Can see your sister. Trying to take my meat. Don't give your mommy.
Don't give mommy.
I'm so glad you girls remembered my birthday.
We couldn't forget your birthday for anything.
Thank you. You know I love you so much.
We love you too much.
Thank you so much. Thank you for loving me. But yeah, it's no more talking.
Okay.
Table manners. Exactly. Bad table manners. Who is that? Come in. Frank!
Hey, Miracle.
What a pleasant surprise. You didn't even call me to tell me you were coming.
Oh, sorry, I was already around the neighborhood when Chibueze called. And then he said he wants the contract agreement letters, the one you're supposed to give him tomorrow.
On a weekend? How?
I don't know. Probably he called me because I'm going to be having lunch with him tomorrow.
Oh, really? Anyway, it's okay because you actually be taking off the stress off my shoulders. So let me go in and get it. I'll be right back. Meet my daughter.
Hi. How are you?
I'll be back shortly.
Are you alright? What? You can't find it?
I've searched my bag and I've searched. I couldn't find it.
So, what am I going to tell MD when he calls back tomorrow?
I think I'm going to dash out to my friend's place because I recall yesterday when I was coming back, I stopped over at hers.
Okay.
So I'm thinking maybe I should go there and check. Just give me a few minutes.
Okay,
I'll be right
maybe
back.
I should come with you, right?
No, don't. Just wait here. Wait, I'm coming. I'll be back.
Let's find it. Hello? Yes, sir. Sir, I'm at her place now, but I'm not with the letter yet. So I can't give you any information on it. Yes, sir. No, sir. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Mirabelle, what's happening now? Shit. Selena? Why are you staring at me like that?
Is my mom going to lose her job if she doesn't find the letter?
Well,
No one is saying she's going to lose her job, but promise you, the MD is not going to be happy with her if that happens.
What's up? Where's the letter?
You see, I don't understand. I couldn't find it.
Mirabel.
Yes.
How could you be so careless with such an important document?
I took it.
Excuse me?
How do you mean you took it?
I mistakenly took it when I was preparing for class. And I forgot it at school.
Okay. I don't know what to say anymore, but I'm going to start leaving. So you find the letter and then give me a call when you do.
I'm really sorry. I promise I'll find it. Okay? Don't be offended, okay?
No, find it.
Please, I'm so sorry. And when I find it, I'll get it across to you.
Okay.
Alright. Thank you. What was the meaning of what you just did? Because we both know you were lying. And I'm sure he knows you were lying too.
He doesn't know. I had to lie because he made some call about the letter and I felt it might be in some kind of trouble. So I had to lie that I took it. So it will save you some time to look for it.
Selena, you didn't have to lie. And like I always tell you, mommy will always find a way around these things. Eh? Hello, Chibeze. Yes, I found it. I'm so sorry for the inconvenience. I'm very, very sorry. Okay, I'll send it to you. Yes, maybe on my way out, I'll drop it for you. Yes. Okay, thank you. Selena, why are you standing there and staring at me like that?
Mom, you know why.
Oh, come on. Are you still asking me that same question? But you already know the answer now. I told you never to worry.
Mom, this is what you keep saying every time. I don't want to be scared of my sister.
Selena, yeah, come and sit down. The reason your sister behaves in a strange way is because she has special gift. A gift she got from your grandfather.
I don't understand.
Don't worry. When you come of age, you will understand. But just know that your sister has the ability to see things before they happen. I never knew she had such powers until the day your father died.
Was that why she was crying so hard that she didn't want to travel?
Exactly. You know, she kept saying it. But we just took it for granted that it was the baby that was talking. Now I wished we had listened to her. It just brings back... It's enough. This conversation is over. It just brings back sad memories. Maybe just go inside. Just go inside. I'll join you later.
Selena, what is this? What is this? Why do you have blood on your dress?
I hurt myself in class.
You hurt yourself in class and you didn't deem it fit to tell me. So how is the wound? Is it so much? Maybe we can go and see the doctor. Okay, let me see it.
Mom, no. It's not so much. The injury is at my back. I've already used first aid in class. It's not so much. This is why I don't even want to tell you. I didn't want you to find out. Because I know that you start getting worried and start making unnecessary expense.
Oh, Selena. Eh? How can you tell me? How can you say you didn't want to tell me? How many times have I told you that taking care of you is not an unnecessary expense? Eh? You just have to stop. Stop trying to do things to help me. Please. I am okay. Listen, I am your mother. And I'm supposed to take care of you, not the other way around. You're my responsibility and I am not complaining.
Mom, I'm supposed to help you. I'm supposed to help you by relieving you of the stress you already have.
Oh, this girl, can you just stop?
Mom, please. I'm doing my assignment.
I insist. No. Oh, me. A distraction.
Yes, this is maths. It's brain work.
I insist. I want to see the wound.
Mom! No.
Okay, but you show me later, right?
No. I'm fine.
You know, sometimes I don't really understand you.
Are you done with your homework? Great. Good girl. That's nice. Now, you're going to go inside and discuss with your sister what we are going to eat. Okay? Nice. No, come. One more thing. Your sister has an injury and she has refused to show me. So now you're going to do something for me. You're going to find out if the wound is big. Will you do that for me? Good girl. So now, if the injury is big, when you come back, just do your hand like this. Okay? If it's small, you just adjust a little like this. Good. Will you do that for me? Good girl. Come here. Give mommy a hug. Mommy loves you, okay? Go. Thank you, Jessie, baby. Okay, Selena, we had rice and beans the other day, so we cannot repeat it. Eh? Let's just have something different, maybe soup or porridge, right?
No. Is it that we make rice and beans or we make spaghetti? Yes. I've already decided with Jessica.
Without me? You're not serious. Okay, now, there is only one way to find out. We are going to ask Jessica. Jessica, darling, your sister here wants us to eat rice and beans again. And you know, if I will to Inishi, it might grow in her head. So, are you in support?
We won!
No, this is not fair. There's been a conspiracy against me. Okay, no problem. Next time it will be my turn. Oh yeah, go to the kitchen. Go and prepare the things now. Since you want rice and beans.
Thank you.
How far we got now? Did you find? So, that's right. Give me a high five. Come here. Mommy loves you. You know what? I'm going to buy you ice cream and shawarma. Or do you want me to ask something else? Are you sure? Come here.
Mom, you're ready. Are you sure we should go to school today? Or should we stay home and take care?
Oh no, just go to school with your sister. This sickness is not serious, okay? I feel the stress. I'll be fine.
Promise me you'll be okay when we get back.
Of course, sweetheart, I'll be fine. Just go with her. I don't want you going to school late. Go. By now.
I know, but I couldn't leave you here alone.
Oh, this girl. Selena, I told you I was going to be alright. Why are you so set in your ways?
Mommy.
Listen, I am an adult for goodness sake.
Let me take care of you, Mom. See, taking care of you is worth more than going for jam class.
Okay, so what of your sister?
She's safe. I made sure she entered the school bus before coming back. I'll do the housework, do everything, relieve your stress, and pet you. So you can also call me Mom.
Selena, honestly, I'm not happy. Why do you keep treating me as if I'm a child?
Aren't you? You need to be taken care of. Now, take your water. Mom, this is what you've been saying every time. I think it's high time you went to the hospital.
Selena, you disturb yourself too much. See, if this illness was serious, you wouldn't even be the one to tell me to go see a doctor.
Okay, I have to go buy you some more drugs.
You know I don't like taking drugs. Mom, I've taken a lot already.
Mom, don't argue with me. You have to take this drugs. I'll go to your room now and collect money and go to the pharmacy and buy drugs for you. And you take it.
Selena, do you know I'm still your mother?
Yes, I know. You have to be there. Wow. Mom, you're looking so amazing this morning.
Good morning. But that is what happens when you have beautiful and lovely girls. You guys took care of me yesterday and today I feel better, so
I can see that.
I'm grateful. You know what? Go and call Jessica. Let's have breakfast, okay?
Okay.
Good.
Auntie of change. Auntie, I'm so happy to see you.
I'm so happy to see you, my darling. How are you?
I'm fine. You have changed. God is faithful.
Oh yes, he is faithful.
I'm so happy.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, let me get set. Auntie, seriously, I'm so happy to see you.
I am more than happy to see you. God has been more than faithful.
What about my nieces?
My sister, those ones, they are fine, no? They are very fine.
I miss them.
I know, they miss you too. Afoma, look at you too. Look. Anyways, I got something for you. Yay! First, have this. You can buy anything you want. Just maybe do a little shopping for yourself, you know. Oh.
Auntie, this is huge. And you give me all this money now. Keep some for my nieces.
Afoma, trust me, the children are fine. And as for you, you deserve more than this. Have you forgotten how you helped us? Afoma, thank you so much. Just keep it. It's nothing. More are coming. See, this is my old phone. You know I had to change my phone now, Imanuna. So you take this. Now we are going to be making video calls at least.
Samsung?
Yes, it's time for you to drop that Apoka you've been using because you...
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
You're 1 in a million. I'm so grateful.
Afoma, the truth is, I would have really loved for you to follow me to the city. But you, I'm not coming here, Jinkitong. I don't even know what is keeping you in this city. Biangwa, I'm suspecting you. It's like you have a boyfriend here.
Which boyfriend? It's my business. So.
Are you sure?
Yes, so. I don't have a boyfriend though.
But I know what I'm going to do. I'll just send people to come and kidnap you.
Thank God though. At least I want to eat chicken. You they kidnap me chicken and juice.
Oh, so you're ready to be kidnapped, eh?
Yeah, so I'm be pampered.
Oh, but how do you know kidnappers pamper people when they kidnap them?
If it's from my sister-in-law, they will not stress me.
The way you're looking like this, they will not pamper you, they will hammer you.
How are you, Nkechi?
I'm okay, oh. Afoma. Now, wow. Hey! Things are really happening. No be small thing.
Nkechi Ogini, what happened?
My dear, it's like I will soon start doing wrong, so because I think it's the only way forward. Right now.
Nkechi, if you don't have anything good to say, tell me, let me go.
I'm talking about your sister-in-law now, your late brother's wife. That woman that has been eating from hand to mouth with her children in this village. I saw her today. She was looking like a queen. Ron's work is really paying off. It's really helping her. And I believe that her witch of a daughter will soon join.
Nkechi, it is you and your generation that are witches and run. Are you stupid? No, obviously you don't have sense again. Shut up! The next time you talk to me in this village, you regret knowing me.
Wow.
If I give you back hand
wow,
now.
I think it's like you want to go and join them. It's in your eyes already. Go and join.
Mama.
Go and join.
Really good to see you after all.
Thank you, it's been a while. So, here are my kids. Come to mommy.
You already have 2 sexy models. How are you?
They are my angels. Are you okay? They mean the
How
world.
are you, dear?
Fine.
Jessica, let's go.
I'll see you guys later. Don't mind my kids. That's how they behave when they meet people for the first time.
It's okay, that's no problem. They'll soon be used to Uncle Sandy.
Oh.
And the younger one, I noticed she didn't say a word. She okay?
You mean Jessica?
Yes, she didn't say a word.
You know I told you about my husband's death.
Yeah.
She was in the car the day the thing happened.
Oh my God.
Tell you, ever since then, my girl has not said a word.
Wow, thank God she was not harmed. See, as long as there are no further complications on her, medically, soon she will get over the shock.
So I've just been praying. Honestly, I can't wait for my girl to start talking again.
Of course, she's not going to be like that forever. One day, a remarkable occasion will happen that will give her the strike or the kick to get over the shock.
Wait for that to happen. You know you should have actually been a doctor. I don't know why you ran to that engineering department. Tell me, it's like there was a baby you were after in that.
Oh, come on. Look, I like where I'm into right now. And soon, I'm going to link you up so that you can benefit with me.
Oh, that would be nice. I can't wait. So, is it okay if I start calling you one of the benefits boys?
Oh yeah, your choice. So, what's been happening?
My brother, nothing much. After the death of... What?
Mom, who is that man that came here earlier today?
Which man? Zandy? But I already told you he's my very good friend from school.
I don't like that man. My spirit does not accept him.
Selena, someone you just met. You haven't even given yourself a chance to get to know him yet. And you're already telling me you don't like him.
I don't like him. Why would I want to know him? Mom, my spirit does not accept that man. There is something about that man. What kind of man uses an adjective like sexy for little girls? What kind of name is Zandy? He's not unlike the responsible folks I always see you with.
Oh, come on, Selena. Zandy is a nice man. Trust me, if there was anything compromising about him, there is no way I would have brought him to the house. Talk more of introducing him to you girls. His real name is Alexander, but we all know him as Zandy. See, he is very lively and funny when you get to know him. I'm really sorry about his choice of words. I'm not sure he meant any harm.
I still don't like him. Mom, it's easy for you to say, but you cannot see what is inside. I don't like that man. Let him not come to this house again.
Just like that?
Yes. Here's what I want to tell you. I'm going inside.
Oh, madam. So that's all you came to tell me?
Yes.
Selena, honestly, sometimes I don't understand you. That's all you came to tell me. So what's wrong in him saying sexy to little girls? And my girl's not sexy. Sandy. Look at you. What are you doing here? I'm great. What are you doing here? I thought you said you don't stay around here. So what are you up to?
Yes, I came to see a business partner of mine who lives, funny enough, close to you.
Oh, really? And you've seen the person and you were about leaving without even saying hello to us.
I thought of calling in to come and say hello, but on a second thought, I already had plans to see you tomorrow to talk.
Oh, okay. Talking about tomorrow, what is this thing you really want us to discuss?
Business. You know, I've always told you I'm going to link you up to what I do so you can benefit from it.
Okay, that would be nice.
Yes.
All right, so we'll leave it till tomorrow.
5 p.m.
All right.
I'll give you a call. So how are your angels?
Oh, they are doing well. They are doing well. Thank you. All right, see you tomorrow.
Let me run now.
All right, see you tomorrow.
When I don't get cab for this treat.
I'm telling you, it's terrible.
All right. So, darling, what I'm trying to say is that every investment made on this platform must have a massive turnout, a massive gain. You see?
Sandy, this is too good to be true.
Yeah.
And the return on investment is quite high. Honestly, I don't like all these investment platforms because before you know it, it's scam. There's just scammers everywhere.
Wow. I never knew a day would come when you, Mirabel, will call me a scammer. Zandy, a scammer.
No. No, Sandy, come on now. I wasn't referring to you. I was referring to the platform itself.
I only saw light and I decided to share with you, my friend. I don't know what you're talking about, but if you care, just take a good look at this. Yeah, just take a good look at this. Look at it.
You mean you have already invested 5 million into it?
This is just the newest one I just did. It's not as if I only have one account with them. I have several accounts. And let me tell you, a friend of mine who cashed out very big is now building his estate. People are doing something big from this. Is a lifetime opportunity.
Oh, sorry. Let me take this call, please. Hello, Chibweze. Oh, you mean you're outside already? Oh, okay. I'll see you shortly. All right. Please, just give me a minute. Let me see my friend outside. Thank you. I'll be back. All right.
Chibweze, you know, I actually thought you were joking when you said you were here. I mean, how did you know I was inside here?
Well, I came out here. I was about leaving when I caught a glance of you. I decided not to disturb your date with my presence.
Come off it. What date are you talking about?
I was just catching up with an old friend of mine from school, yeah.
Oh, really? Sorry about my misjudgment.
It's okay.
Yes, I called you out because of company. Alright?
Okay.
I don't know if you are aware of the new development in our company.
What? No. What's going on?
Okay. Our MD and some of his partners are about to sell their shares. Yes, and all of our colleagues are gunning for it as if their life depends on it. Well, the outcome of the whole investment that's buying the shares is huge profit in the nearest future.
Okay. Yeah, I remember that the MD hinted some time ago.
About it?
Yes.
Yes. I'm trying to gather my money together. And when I do, I'm going to go for it. I've given you the info. If you're interested, you can just queue in.
Okay. Anyway, just give me some time. Let me think through it. I'll get back to you.
It's alright. Don't mention.
Thank you so much.
See you at work.
I really appreciate it.
All right.
Let me
Take
run
care.
along,
It's
alright?
okay.
Thank
Take
you.
care.
I'm so sorry. I hope I didn't take your time.
Oh no, not at all.
Hey, so Sandy, tell me, how long does it take before this platform starts paying?
5 days. Just 5 days. In most cases, 3 days.
Okay. Sign me in.
What?
Yes.
Really? Okay. What happened is, do you have an epiphany out there or something?
Sandy, I'm doing this because I'm just taking your word for it.
Miranda, I'm certain this isn't on gunpoint. Come on, if you don't want to do this, other people, gladly grab the opportunity. What are you saying?
It's okay, settled. Sign me in.
Let it not look like I'm trying to favor you, then I will now come to...
Or do you want me to do it myself?
Don't worry. Don't worry. I've been there, so I know how to handle it.
So how do we get started?
Let me just do the hookup and I'll let you know.
Okay. Wait, let me go and open my drink, please. My baby is back. How was it? Karina. You're welcome. Really, mommy, welcome, right? Your mood is not pleasant at all. What happened?
One boy insulted you in school today. And I fought him. If you see the blow I gave him on the face, his face is shining red.
You did what? No, let me hear you right. You did what? You fought. Selena, you're not supposed to engage in such violence, especially for a girl like you. You're far better than this. No matter any form of provocation, you are not supposed to fight anyone. Did you hear me? Now tell me, what did the boy do to you that made you fight him?
He said he saw you in a bar with one man that used to follow boys and used to follow men for us to feed.
Just that. Selena, when you want to fight for a just cause, okay? I'm sorry I'm laughing. Now listen carefully. When people say hurtful words to you, just ignore them. Because whatever they said is a reflection of who they are and not who you are. Normal people don't go about speaking bad about others. Don't. I understand how you feel. But don't give him the satisfaction he needs by being angry. The way you fought, it shows that you really, really love me. But I'm sure you know how I feel about you. I can do anything for you, Selena. Please don't fight, no matter what happens. Okay? And as for what he said, it's a lie. Don't believe what he said, it's a lie.
Mommy, see, nobody can insult you and you expect me to sit and watch the person. I will fight.
No, I disagree with you. You're not going to fight. What did I say? You're not going to complete it.
Fight.
Good. No matter what happens, you're not going to fight. If it's hurting you too much, walk away. Okay? What if the boy had disfigured your face?
I'm stronger than him.
Stronger than a boy? How?
Jessica, what's wrong? Why are you not sleeping? It's alright. It's fine.
I noticed you did not have your breakfast. What happened? What happened to her?
I don't know. She has been like this since yesterday night.
And you have no clue what the problem might be? Mommy's angel. My sweetheart. What's the problem? You didn't eat your breakfast. You don't like the bread and egg? What do you want? Do you want something else? Jessica, don't do this now. Don't do this to mommy. Okay, do you want fried yam and egg or something else?
Mom, please, let's just go to school. Maybe she's not in the mood to eat.
Yeah. But going to school with an empty stomach is not really good.
I'll buy her something in this canteen. Maybe snacks.
Alright, thank you. Just take her to school and take care of her, alright?
Bye.
Let me make this whole now. Hello, Zandi. I am really sorry. I was busy with my kids. Yes, they just left for school now. I'm really sorry. No, don't worry. You're going to see the alert now. You'll see it. Okay. All right. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay. Bye. Hello, Zandi. Yes. I'm so sorry for the delay. No, you should have gotten the alerts now. I have transferred the money. Yes, the 4.5 now as we discussed. Okay. Zandi, honestly, I am only doing this because we have come a long way. And I trust you. So I'll be expecting returns on investments anytime from now, right? Okay. Because I have lots of things to do with the money. Okay. Thank you so much. God bless you. Thank you. Bye. But why is his number switched off? His number has been switched off since.
Mom, what did you say?
Nothing. I was only thinking out aloud.
Good day.
Good day, ma'am.
Please, I'm here to see Zandi.
Zandi?
Zandi, yes.
Who is Zandi?
Oh, Zandi, his real name is Alexander, but, people know him as Zandi.
Madam, this is staff quarters. And everyone living here, they're all staffs. So no one living here is called Zandi. So I don't know who you're talking about. Hello, madam. Are you okay? Hello? Okay.
Hello, Chibueze. Yes. I have the financial document. No, no one dares. No, I'm the only one that has access to the account. What? 10 million naira missing? How? No, Chibueze, you're joking. I'll call you back. I'll call you. What is happening? Sandy.
Bro. Are you not Mirabelle's friend? I believe I saw you with her in a bar last week.
Mirabelle. Yes! Oh yeah, Mirabelle! Okay, yeah, Mirabelle. How is she?
Well, I am here to get a call card so I can call her. We're having a problem in the office and she's not been around for a while now.
Oh, wow.
So
sorry about that. It's an official issue now, and I go sort them out now, bro. Just take care.
Yes. See you, bro. Get me card.
I'm coming.
Selena?
Yes. Good evening.
Yes, how are you?
I'm fine.
I'm here to see your mom.
My mom is not back. She's not around. I've been calling her since, but she's not picking her calls. Can you call her for me? Maybe.
I just did that now and her phone is switched off.
Hi.
And I need you to get her to understand that there's fire on the mountain. The ND is looking for her. And this letter is for her.
Okay.
Look, So I need you to get to understand that I've been trying for her, but right now my job is on the line. Okay?
It's fine.
Alright. Take care.
What is wrong with you? Are you okay? No, wait. Did you drink? When did you start drinking, Mom? Mr. Frank was here. He asked me to give this to you. Here. Mom, read it.
What is it? This is why I like to disturb somebody all the time.
Mom!
Okay. I have been issued my first query since I started work. This is amazing. Giving me 1 month to pay back the 10 million or else I'll be put behind bars.
Stop it! Mom, stop it! This is not something to laugh about.
No, this calls for celebration. Bring glasses, let's celebrate. Let's celebrate.
Why are you doing this to yourself? Please. Help us. You've not had your bath for 2 days now and you've not eaten anything. Please eat something. I made food for you. If not for my sake, for the sake of Jessica, she's been crying inside since. Mom, please. We can't afford to lose you as we lost Dad. Mom, please, we cannot survive without you. Please, help us, please.
I've been changing locations ever since. I enter one of my guys' village. I dey indoors since, but tomorrow I dey pull out. Don't worry yourself. Just tell that idiot, say, me I dey enter ABG next week. You go get in 3 million. That one no be problem now. In fact, I go give him 3.5 because na idiot him be. No, don't worry yourself. Don't worry yourself. I just say my come and take 1 or 2 bottles. No worry. Money there to handle all those bullshit now. Trust me. Okay, no worry. Later now.
Oh boy, that guy looks slow there. That guy way.
Man. Huh? Did you hear the kind of amount that guy was calling? Yeah? Did you hear that? Guy will go enter that bubble. Will go enter that. I swear.
But why I want be now? You know we don't know the guy Paro. That guy Paro just get away like this.
Bros.
That guy sharp.
As he be now, now observing things. We go observe him first. As the guy they match, we go just follow and they razzle once. Guy, now we dey run this village. Now we get this village. That guy na JJC. No waiting. Huh? No worry, I go think of something. Yes, we must collect from that guy.
Yes.
That guy deal with them.
If at all.
No waiting. Guy, more go back before you go to suspect. That guy don't move.
That guy sharp. I think see that guy sharp.
When I go to leave on a drink, come out. What happen? Oh, but an exam hall would do like this. Here na beer parlor, you dey mad. I take concern you.
You will be June for village. You dey follow me.
See this guy, you. Gama no reason you.
That be your fault.
Drink a drink. Finish am now. Finish your own. Why I go finish am? This one talk about it. When I don't come again now. You still dey drink. What I do, what you want to do, what I do, I beg.
What?
Why you following me? Huh? How may I help you? I noticed you've been following me. You want to find out where I live, right? Guy, how far now? What you do for ground? Who's the guy?
I think you see that guy sharp. That guy too sharp. Huh?
Guy, now that guy keep you for ground like this.
What the hell?
Ha! Guy, which what are you doing now? What did they talk? I send you me for the person they You're going to tell me, see, you did for girl like small picking. Ha!
I bet me get up.
If I sound you, help you get up waiting, remain here, now here you go die. I don't even know why they work out with you guys. All these village things where they do, I think maybe you even get level. Nothing to your body.
That guy sharp.
A sharp pass you, Abi. You there they do village mara. Guy man no see you for bunk, man no see for if I see you for bunk one day, piag bottle. Idiot. See what I lose now. I don't lose that my billion van. See what now. See the kind of money that guy they mention. I say make you track him down. Because you call the tell me say that guy want to. You see you guys die here. Nah, come on, get away. Man no see for Zanga. If I see you there, I go knock you for me. So what you make me lose now? Yeah, the first for you.
Cheers. Where is mommy? You don't know where she went to? What? Oh, hold up, let me go and look for her. She might see me. What happened? Where did she go to without telling us? You know what? Please just sit here. Don't go anywhere. Let me go and look for her. Sit here and wait for me.
Where is Zandi?
Mom! Stop this! What is all this now? Listen, you have to calm down. I'll look for a way to figure this out.
If I stay here, I'll go to jail. But I need to go out. Let me find
Sit down! People will think you're crazy. You're breaking our hearts. Please stop this thing you're doing.
I'm not crazy. I'm looking for Zandi. Where is Zandi?
Zandi is here.
Call him. I want to see him.
He's in the toilet. Just sit down and relax. I'll go inside and call him.
No, he's outside.
No. Zandi is in the toilet. I'll call him for you, okay? Just sit down. He's coming. Jess, please. If mom tries to stand up, call me, okay?
Zandi.
Hello? Uncle Frank. Yes, it's me, Salina. Please, I need you to come to our house right now. My mom is acting awkward. She's going crazy. I don't know. Yes, I'm scared. I've tried calling our relatives, but no one is reachable. Yes, the people I know. Please, can you come, please? We're waiting. Thank you. God, please help my mom, please.
See, Selena, I had to leave everything I'm doing at the office to come answer you. Could you please put yourself together and let me know what's happening?
It's my mother. I don't know what's wrong with her. I don't even know if she's going crazy. I had to calm her down by telling her that Zandi is inside the house. And she has been calling Zandi's name since then.
How could a smart woman like Mirabelle fall for a useless miscreant like Zandi? I'm surprised. Okay, give me some time. Let me go get some drugs. So you go stay with her. I'll be back, okay?
Thank you.
Yeah, just put yourself together. I just drugged her with the sedatives. How is she gonna get better when she gets up?
Is my mom crazy?
No. I think her actions were because of the shock she went through from the incident. How she gets better when she gets up. And I'm going to suggest that you guys reach your relatives. I've really gone through a lot because of your mom already. And I'm still trying to fix the mess at the office. I don't want to lose my job as well.
Thank you for all you've done so far. We really appreciate it.
You're welcome. And I have to start leaving now. You girls, take care of yourselves.
Number 25 Johnson Street.
Who said that? Jess, did you just say something now?
Yes.
Oh my god, you can talk!
Number 25 Johnson Street. That's where you will find him. Don't let what happened to our dad happen to our mom. Because if it happens, I will not just lose my voice, I will also lose my life.
No, don't say that, Jess. You will not lose your life. I'm so happy you can finally talk again. Oh my god. 25 Johnson Street? Sandy. I have to call the police ASAP. No. Not the police.
So long as it's what money can buy, I'm good. Ah! You. I can't believe this. You? As little as you are? Listen. You may think this is one of your badly written movies or cartoon. This is real life. I will kill you and tear you apart if you don't untie me from this chair right now and apologize for this madness.
You're welcome to get up from that seat and kill me. Even if you have triple of Samson's strength, you can't get up from that seat. You know why? Because I used the anger of what you put my mother through to tie you to that seat.
Listen, you little girl. I know you might have some Wonder Woman fantasies of playing an Amazon warrior. But you know what? You don't have the guts to pull this off. Now, untie me from this seat. What do you even think will be the result of this?
I have your phone. Here with me. I just want the password to every penny you took from my mother and pass it back to its original account.
In your dreams. Just pray I don't lay my hands on you. You will beg me to kill you. What is it? What do you want to do with that, you devilish possessed girl? What do you want to do?
That's very hot. Give me the password, else I'll put this on your face!
Okay. Alright.
Do we have a deal?
Yes.
Good.
Girls, I just saw something amazing. Look, Zandy just transferred 5 million naira into my account. Oh my goodness!
This is good news.
Did he come here? Did you people see him?
No, Mom. We didn't see him.
Selena, come on, tell your mommy the truth.
Mom, no! Jess, did you see him?
No, I didn't.
It's a lie. Jessica, you're talking.
What?
Jessica, come. Did you just say that? Say it again. Oh my God, she's talking. My girl is talking again. Jessica. So you can talk. You can talk.
God is good.
Come here. Oh, Mommy. Mommy has missed you. I have really, really missed you. Oh my God.
Come in.
Baby is talking again.
Hey, Mirabel.
Hey, Frank.
How are you doing?
Do what?
Look, I don't care how you did it, but you totally end my respect. I promise you. See, I am officially here to announce to you that the MD wants to see you at office. Your position at the office has been reinstated, and you're going to be paid 2 million naira for conversation. How about that?
Hang on. I don't really understand what's going on. How do you mean?
You're not sleeping. One more thing, in case you don't know already, that devil's implement that you mistook for a friend is now in police custody. An anonymous person tied him up, and he confessed to stealing your documents from the house. That's how he got access to your account. And all the charges against you have been dropped. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
You owe me a bottle of champagne.
My God, he never sleeps nor slumbers.
See you at work.
Oh.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Hey. Congratulations.
Thank you so much, sir.
See you guys there.
Alright. Thank you.
Okay.
Oh, I love you. I love you too. I love you too. Wait, how did all this happen? Just yesterday I was totally messed up and knocked out, and only for me to wake up today and everything has changed. How?
Let's just say God works in miraculous ways.
I tell he never sleeps nor slumbers.